partners in the West, including US and some European countries, to raise the awareness on this issue. And also we presented many evidence to them. Now they are studying the evidence, but it's a fact that our request on the table, and then now we are waiting the conclusion of this of their study of the evidence we presented to them. Now, thank you very much for coming. And now we have a photo exhibition outside, and then also some refreshment for you. Also tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock, we will have also official commemoration of this date. You know that tomorrow, 15 July, and then also we will like to see you on this occasion. Thank you very much.